Serafina and the Black Cloak by Robert Beatty. Serafina has never had a reason to disobey her pa and venture beyond the grounds of Biltmore Estate. There's plenty to explore in Mr. and Mrs. Vanderbilt's house, but she must take care to never be seen. None of the rich folk upstairs know that Serafina exists. She and her pa have lived in the basement for as long as Serafina can remember. She has learned to prowl through the darkened corridors at night, to sneak and hide, using the mansion's hidden doors and secret passageways. But when children at the estate start disappearing, only Serafina knows the clues to follow. Serafina's hunt leads her into the very forest she has been taught to fear, where she discovers a forgotten legacy of magic. In order to save the children of Biltmore, she must not only face her darkest enemy, but delve into the strange mystery of her own identity. I loved the blend of history and mystery and magic in this book. It is book 1 of 4 in the Serafina series. Murray Library has the book and ebook available for electronic checkout.